I'm Angelo Calvan and welcome to Chapter 17 Problem Solving. Problem 17.3 A. On January 22, 1943, the temperature in Spearfish, South Dakota rose from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 45 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. What was the temperature change in degrees Celsius? So this is a very simple problem. You just have to convert the units to Celsius. So -4 degrees Fahrenheit is 24 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Fahrenheit is 113 Celsius. So the change in temperature is plus 44.1 degrees Celsius per minute. B. The temperature in Browning, Montana was 44 degrees Fahrenheit on January 23, 1916. The next day, the temperature plummeted to -56 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the temperature change in degrees Celsius? The same process as letter A. If we convert the units to Celsius, 44 degrees Fahrenheit equals 111.2 degrees Celsius. -56 Fahrenheit is equal to -68.8 degrees Celsius. And then that will give us 0.125 degrees Celsius. Problem 17.12. One of the tallest buildings in the world is the Taipei 101 in Taiwan, at a height of 1,671 feet. Assume that this height was measured on a cold spring day when the temperature was 12 degrees Celsius. You could use the building as a sort of giant thermometer on a hot summer day by carefully measuring its height. Suppose you do this and discover that the Taipei 101 is 0.466 foot taller than its official height. What is the temperature, assuming that the building is in thermal equilibrium with the air and that its entire frame is made of steel? So the coefficient of linear expansion for steel is 1.2 times 10 raised to -5. And then the change in temperature is equal to the change in length over initial length times coefficient of linear expansion for steel. Plugging in the values, you will get 23.2495 as the change in temperature. And then adding this to the initial temperature will give us 35.24 degrees Celsius. So the Taipei 101 is 0.466 foot taller at 35.24 degrees Celsius. Problem 17.23. An aluminum tea kettle with a mass of 1.45 kilograms containing 1.90 kilograms of water is placed on a stove. If no heat is lost to the surroundings, how much heat must be added to raise the temperature from 22 degrees Celsius to 84 degrees Celsius? So the heat to be added equals to mass times specific heat times change in temperature. So plugging in the values for water and aluminum respectively, we will get that the heat required to change the temperature for the aluminum is 82,806.53 joules. Meanwhile, for water, it is 493,110.8 joules. And the total heat that must be added to raise the temperature is 575,917.33 joules. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from the problems we solved today.